How to blur text in Canva. So first, open up your Canva account and then just open up one of your designs. For example, I want to blur this text here. So what you can do here is let's just resize this. Is first you need to turn this into a photo. So let's just click on share here at the top right, click on download, and then make sure the file type is PNG or JPG, and then you can just click on download. Okay, now once you're here, you can just delete this, and then you can just upload the photo that we just did earlier, and then you can just crop this, and then here, now we can start blurring this text here. So you can just click on edit here at the top. Okay, and then you can just look for blur, this one, and then you can just click on the whole image here, and then just, as you can see, just turn on the intensity here, and now you can see it's getting blurred, and then you can just click anywhere, click close, and there you go. Now you have a blurred text. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.